welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna open my Papa gift.
Birthday gift.
Birthday gift.
वापस से retake करो.
Now.
No. Say it from.
Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yes.
Today we're gonna open my Papa birthday gift.
Okay. Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
And let's see what he got.
And subscribe my channel.
And subscribe my channel.
Thank you. Let's see what we got. What is this? Apple Watch.
Okay, now we have this for Papa.
What is this?
This is...
Let's see what's in there.
It's this.
It's what? OMG. I got an Apple Watch?
Again, Apple Watch?
Wow, that is cool. Thank you.
You got two Apple
I got AirPods for Valentine's. I got Apple Watch for birthday gift. Wow. Okay, what's next? So, who gave me this? Another watch. Somebody gave me. Who gave it?
Rochelle's mom.
Oh, okay. It was my turn to open my gift.
Open this.
Okay, I opened this. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Who thinks I'm... Somebody thinks I'm an alcoholic. Hold it. Wow.
Wait.
We got
That's a
wine
nice
glasses. That's not
We
bad.
really need that.
Yeah. Who was it? Nobody
That's
put
nice
anything.
gift.
Who's this?
Yes, you.
Ah. Happy birthday.
I need help, please.
Oh, you need help, please? Hold on. We'll open it. Give me 1 second. Let's see who gave me. Oh, what's all this?
That's all decoration stuff.
Wow. Wow.
Why do we need this?
Somebody give me a present. Huh?
What?
Go put it in the kitchen.
That's a
That's
grandma
it.
thing.
Wow. Put it in the kitchen.
That
put it
never
in the sink.
works. This whistle never
नहीं,
works.
whistle नहीं है ये.
Then what's that?
This is just like, go. Put it in the kitchen first.
Shana, in the kitchen.
Yeah, well, Canada Dry. Yeah. Come on, hurry, go. Oh, that's a present. Oh, these lefafas are open?
What are these?
What is this?
I don't know. Let's see.
Richie got cash money present.
Ooh, Western Ant, Pinot Noir. Not bad. Good choice.
Oh, have more things.
Oh, you have some more things? Oh, no, don't make this mess.
We
Okay.
have this. Not bad.
Masakin family.
I don't know.
Happy birthday. That's it, nothing. Open envelope.
For Papa.
Salim John, Agnes John.
For Mom.
Oh, no, don't make this mash. What is this? Empty envelopes?
And
I already saved all money.
this.
Money is for me and empty envelopes are for you. These are all cards for you.
Gabby and
Mom.
Jazzy?
Shabana and Imran.
Oh, Jazzy. Thank you very much. From Gulzar and family.
Mom.
Yes. You want to open that?
Not right now.
Okay.
Shortcut
Can we
Sandu.
also take this
And
out of
Nadia.
the house?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yay.
Okay, finish.
Finish?
Yes.
Finish already?
Yeah, that's it. It's empty envelopes.
So you got at least I think
I need
$13 or $1,400.
I just
So
opened
give me
it.
that envelope.
What's
No,
this?
that's for me actually.
Huh?
Yeah.
What about I give you that $1,000? That's for me.
So what is this for?
Fun, and that's for me.
Okay, guys. So this is all he got. And Sky, do you want to say
Where's
something?
the watch? Oh,
Sky, do you want to say something in the end of the video?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say, but the boy?
thank you everybody for making my day special, and thank you for all these presents.
Okay. Sky, do you want to say? Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Subscribe my channel.
Subscribe my channel and give me more.
Okay. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel.
And
What are we doing today?
We are setting on my Papa Watch.
Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
So let's see what we can do. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Say it loudly. Always say loud. Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Okay, good. See? Okay,
Nicely,
okay,
Sky.
now-
Nicely. That's not good.
Okay, this is, let's see, what is this? White?
Wait.
Ooh,
Whitey.
White, let me see.
Wait, let me see.
Okay, bye, let me see.
Maybe this is a sticker. Wait, this one is a sticker.
Do you need any help now?
No.
Can Papa help you?
Hmm? Did I get it? I did it?
Ask Papa.
Did I did it?
Let me see.
No.
Let me help you.
No.
You have to listen, okay? Can I help you tomorrow? Ooh,
You did it!
good job.
Wait. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Spooky, scary guy, don't give a G. What is this? What's that?
What's this? Whoa! Whoa.
Whoa. Let's see.
This.
This is cool.
You like the band? First, I was about to buy in red color.
Nike.
What you was about to buy?
In red color.
Nice.
Now
thank
you have two.
Yeah, I know. It's been a while.
Let's open this one. Oh, this is the sponge for face.
Not your face.
Where's this? Spooky, scary skeletons. Spooky, scary.
It's not Halloween time. Why are you singing this song?
Spooky, scary skeletons. As sure as I'm just right. As spooky, scary skeletons. As sure as I'm just right.
That was too fast.
Spooky, scary skeletons. Make him your phone. Make him your phone. Spooky, scary skeletons are sure it's down your spine.
Nice watch.
Nice watch.
Okay, let's set it up.
Do you want any tattoo?
I want any tattoo?
Yeah.
Oh, use to set up continue. Set up Apple Watch.
Set up Apple. What?
Sky, can you move, please?
Yeah?
Thank you.
Mom, can I see what Papa doing?
Sure.
It's paired.
Hmm?
Mm,
Pear.
it's paired.
Pear. It's pear.
Left. Connecting Apple Watch.
And a lotion. Put it on your face.
Mhm.
Tap it around.
This may take a moment.